Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are looking now at BITF. This is of course Bitfarms stock. You can see this one today is up by 9.85%, and over the course of this video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what might be coming next. If it sounds good, if you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always though, do remember I am not a financial advisor, so you should be doing your own research. Now coming over here and looking at this stock, well of course we are seeing this major breakout since about the 8th of September, maybe even a bit before that, and of course this is taking us just higher and higher and higher, again up just under 10% over the course of today's trading. And whilst this is a very impressive thing, whilst this is very good, it's important to note how hot this stock appears to be burning right now. We're very close to being in the overbought range on the RSI. To be honest, we really have been for the majority of the whole month, as the stock of course does push even higher. We had a little bit of a cool off over the past couple of days. Again, this is mainly due to this somewhat slowing rate of growth, but again towards the late part of today specifically, we have seen this just continue to push on to the upside. Now again, in terms of upside potential here, this one doesn't appear to be slowing down right now, which again is going to be a very interesting thing to see. And again, I think this one does have that potential to go higher. We are somewhat at a point now though where you do have to ask some questions. We haven't really seen a pullback. I mean, we've seen one briefly over the course of this morning, but we haven't really seen a major pullback for quite some time. I think most notably the one that we saw was between here on the 10th all the way into, well, actually the end of the day, right? It was only a short one. At the same time, right, I know it's only been a matter of days, but just look at how much the stock is up. I would be cautious, and that's not to say that I'm bearish. That's not to say that I don't think that good things can happen over here. It is to say that when a stock goes up in a straight line, right, the risk is increasingly heightened, in my opinion. The RSI burns hot like it is right now, very close to the overbought range. We get to a point where we are, if we do have a drop, right, we don't have any established floors, so it does become quite difficult to predict price action, especially to the downside. Now of course, upside potential, we all want to see this one as unlimited. Next levels could potentially be well past the 750 range, of course, past the 760s, all the way possibly up to $7 in the next couple of days. But again, at the same time, right, where do we go if, and this is a big if, things move to the downside? Well, of course, I'm looking at levels such as 577. I'm looking at levels such as 590 to be noteworthy. I'm also looking at the 515 range, right? This one is a hard one to say, guys, but my strategy here is just being extremely cautious, and again, noting the fact that we do have that potential to move to the downside. And again, these moves may not necessarily be bad, right? It's about establishing the next level of support for the next potential push. So I don't make this video in a bearish light. I make this video simply to say if it does drop, this is something to be aware of. Anyway, that's just my opinion, of course, not advice. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you for your time, guys. Goodbye for now.